Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about phone section, then go to the factory reset, tap erase all data, factory reset, then wait for 10 seconds and might get to know with this information here. Okay, tap next, then you have 10 more seconds to get to know with some new informations here. Then tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes and it will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.